Come test drive the 2008 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, air conditioning, dual airbags, auto express down window, power steering, adjustable headrests, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, center armrest, child safety locks. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.